Hello students, today we will start the next lesson, that is lesson number 5th, coordinate geometry. As we know that the number line we are studying from standard 5th, so you know how to identify the coordinate of a particular point. So here the coordinate of point Q is -5, coordinate of point P is -1, coordinate of point R is 4. And as you go from left to right, the number's value is increases, and as you are coming from right to left, its value decreases. Okay. So here it is x1 and x2 are the coordinates. Two coordinates are there, x1 and x2 are the coordinates of point A and B. Then they told you that x2 is greater than x1. Then length of the seg AB is equals to, if x2 is greater than x1, then length of AB means only the distance of AB is equal to how much coming? The bigger number minus smaller number. So in that way we have to find out its answer. So here if you have to find out the distance between R and T, okay, so coordinate of R is equals to 4, coordinate of P is equals to -1, then distance between RP, how we are finding? That is bigger number minus smaller number. So which is bigger here? 4 and 1. So 4 is bigger, minus into bracket -1 means it is a smaller number. So bigger number minus smaller number. So 4 minus into minus plus, and this is 1, and 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. In that way we have to find out the distance, and you know that how to find it was over for you last year. Again, suppose here the number L's coordinate is, suppose number line is not there, coordinate of L is equals to -2, and coordinate of M is equals to -5. So here some students are getting confused. That is, when we have to find out the distance of 2 points, we have to identify that which is the bigger number from this which is the bigger one, -2 is bigger or -5 is bigger. As we know that if we compare, the number 5 is bigger, but when the numbers are negative, the smaller number is greater than the bigger one. That we have to keep in your mind. So in these two numbers inside, which is the greater one? -2 is greater. -2 is greater than -5. -2 is greater than -5. So here it is -2 minus minus plus, and here it is 5, and then 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. In this way we are finding the distance between the 2 points. Sometimes some students are getting confused here also. If it is plus 2 is here, so which is the greater number here? Here also 2 is greater than -5. So plus 2 is here. Okay, so plus 2 minus minus, it will be plus, and -5. So plus 2 plus 5 is equals to how much it is there? That is the 7 is its answer. So in this way we have to find out the distance between any 2 points on a number line or on a number line. Okay, so here to find the distance between any 2 points on the axis, to find the distance, that is we are finding on the number line. But how to find out the distance between 2 points on an axis? If the numbers are located on an axis, then how to find its distance? That we are going to study now. Here 2 points on an axis, 2 points on an axis, like 2 points on the other number line. Okay, 2 points on an axis are like 2 points on the number line. Okay, suppose these are the axis x and y, so these 2 points are there, A and B. Otherwise points are here it is P, and here it is Q. Okay, anywhere the points are located, and how to find out the distance between then that is given here. So here note that the point x have the coordinates such as 2 and minus 0, 2 and minus 0, minus 2 by 5 and 0, 8 and 0. It shows that the y coordinate is 0, means these numbers are located on x axis. Similarly, points on y axis. Points on y axis, how we are denoting? 0, 1 means x axis coordinate we have to take 0, 0 and 72 upon 2, 0, 3. So points which are located on x axis, their y coordinate is 0, that we have to keep in your mind, and the points which locates on y axis, those x coordinate is 0. So if you see here, the x coordinate is 0 and point is located on y axis. Yes, this is the y axis and this one is the x axis. So point is located on y axis, so its x coordinate is 0. Same thing, when the point located on x axis is y, its y coordinate is 0. Okay, so in the above figure, if you have to find out the distance between these 2 points, same just now we seen that how to find out the distance between 2 points, that same method we have to use here. So in above figure, the point A's coordinate is x1 0 and point B's coordinate is x2 0. Okay, so in above figure, the points A, that is x1 0 and B x2 0 are on x axis. They are on x axis, and here if you see, x2 is towards the right side of the x1, so the x2 is greater, so x2 is greater than x1. If such a situation is there, then distance between AB is equals to x2 minus x1. Okay, suppose x2 is equals to 5 and x1 is equal to 1, then the distance between AB is equals to x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 1 equals to 4. In that way we have to find out its distance. Same thing, that is, as you are going above the number line, okay, the numbers are greater on y axis, and as you go down the number line, the numbers are smaller. So here in above figure, the point P, its coordinate is Py1, 0 y1, and point Q's coordinate are 0 y2. Point P is 0 y1 and point Q 0 y2. So in the above figure, the points, which are those points 0 y1 and 0 y2, if you have to find out the distance between PQ, then you have to do the subtraction of the coordinates, that is bigger coordinate minus smaller one. So here y2 minus y1 is its answer. So it's clear that when the numbers are located on x-axis or y-axis, we have to do the same thing to find the distance between them, that is bigger number minus smaller number, as we are finding it on the number line. Now the second one, to find the distance between the 2 points, if the segment joining this point is parallel to any axis in the xy plane, if the segment joining them is parallel to xy plane. So here it is the segment AB. Here it is CL. In the figure, seg AB is parallel to xy. So this is the seg AB. This is seg AB. Okay, and if you see here, this xy is parallel to x-axis. This xy is there. This is parallel to which axis? That is the x-axis. Now what we have to do? Y coordinates of it. As you know that they are located on the they are parallel to x-axis, and their y coordinate must be same, because suppose we are taking it here, this, then here it is y1 is one only coordinate is here. Okay, and the y coordinate for A and y coordinate for B is same. Okay, so here it is, the y coordinates of point A and point B are equal. What we have to do here, we have to draw the perpendicular from point A and from point B to axis, that is AL is perpendicular on xx dash, BM is perpendicular on BM is perpendicular on x axis. Next, what we have to find out, now this quadrilateral ABML, quadrilateral ABML, this is the quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral is is a rectangle. Yes, this is a rectangle. It's a, now if this is a rectangle, what we have to do here, BM is equal to AB is equal to LM. The distance of AB and distance of LM, as you know that it is the property of a what, the opposite sides of a rectangle, its opposite sides are congruent to each other. So AB is equal to LM. Now if AB is equals to LM, then how much is the distance between LM? That is LM's distance, how we are finding? The x2 minus x1. LM is equals to distance between LM is equal to x2 minus x1. Okay, and this is the same, these are the AB is congruent to LM, and that's why this, therefore distance of AB is equal to also x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. In this way we have to find out the distance when the line is parallel to the x-axis. Understood all of you? So here same thing, that is x2 minus x1 we have to do when the line is parallel to the which axis? That is the x-axis. Okay, now the next condition we will see, that is, and one thing is common here, that is the its y coordinate is same. Now if the line is parallel to y axis, if the line is parallel to y axis, so this is the PQ, this is PQ, and it is parallel to y axis, here it is the y axis. Same thing we have to do here, we have to draw the perpendicular. What is the coordinate of point P? x1 y2, and point Q's coordinate are x1 y1. If you see here, you will notice that its x coordinate is same, x1 and x1. This x coordinate is same for this. Now if its x coordinate is same, then what we have to find out? The distance between PQ. So this line is parallel to y axis, so we have to draw the perpendicular from P to P to y axis and Q to y axis. So PR is perpendicular on y axis, QS is also perpendicular on y axis. Okay, now if you have to find out the distance between PQ, okay, so if you draw this PQSR, this is again a rectangle, and rectangle's properties are opposite sides are congruent. So PQ is equal to what is came here? RS. PQ is equal to RS, and distance between RS, how we are finding? Just now we seen about the distance between RS is equals to y2 minus y1. If line is parallel to this is an on y axis, so y2 minus y1, and RS distance is same with the PQ because it is a rectangle. So distance between PQ is equal to also y2 minus y1. Okay, understand? In this way we have to find out the distance when the line is parallel to x-axis, then its answer its distance between the points is equal to x2 minus x1, and when the line is parallel to x-axis y-axis, the distance between them between the points is equal to y2 minus y1, bigger number minus smaller number. Okay, understood all of you? Note down this all. Okay, because 4 conditions I told you now. First condition is said, if the point is on the x-axis, the distance between them is x2 minus x1. If the points are on the y-axis, the distance between them is equal to y2 minus y1. Distance between them is equal to y2 minus y1. Next, if the line is parallel to x-axis, then the distance between them is also x2 minus x1, and if the line is parallel to y-axis, distance between them is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay. Now one more we will see, if you see here in the figure, AB parallel to y-axis, this AB is there, it is parallel to y-axis, and BC is parallel to x-axis. The coordinates of point A and C, this is point A and this is point C, and its coordinates are A and C are given. The coordinates of point A is given, that is 2, 3, and C's coordinates are minus 2 and 2. If you see here, coordinates how we are finding, if you see here, the x coordinate we are writing at first. So if you join this here, its coordinate is minus 2, and if you join to x-axis, y-axis, its coordinates are 2. So here C is equals to what will come? C is equals to minus 2, 2. Okay, and same like A, if we join to x-axis, its coordinate is 2, join to y-axis, its coordinates are 3. So A's coordinates are 2, 3. In this way we are finding the distance between them. Now here A's coordinates we knows, C's coordinate we knows, and we have to find out the distance between which, that is the AC. We have to find out the distance between AC. But here problem is that this line is not parallel to x-axis, and this is also not parallel to y-axis. Now how to find out the distance between them? So to understand this, here what is the one activity is given. What they told you, to find the AC distance, we have to draw a right angle triangle, that is the ABC. Okay. Now here if we are getting the right angle triangle, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem here. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now here we know the point here CB is parallel to this, CB is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so the coordinates of CB are, the coordinate next activity is given here. What is the question? Y coordinate of B. So here it is B, okay, and its y coordinate located here. So y coordinate of B is 2. Okay. Next, then what is the question? BA. This BA is parallel to y axis. So x coordinate of B. X coordinate of B is equals to 2, and y is also how much? It is 2 only. X coordinate is also 2 and y is also 2. So distance of AB. AB's distance, if it is line is parallel to which axis? It is parallel to y axis. So distance between them, how we are finding, that is y2 minus y1. So here 3 and the minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 is equals to how much it is there? 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to how much? 1. Now next here BC's we have to find out. So BC, it is here BC. So BC is parallel to this BC. I will write it again. Wait. So B, first of all here it was 2, here it was 2, and here what we wrote, y2 minus y1. So y2 is for this point AB. Y2 is here. These coordinates are which I told you, 2, 2. 2. These coordinates are 2, 2. If it is parallel to y-axis, y2 minus y1, that's why 3 minus 2 is equals to, here it is 1. Now BC, it is parallel to which axis? X-axis. So here x2 minus x1. If parallel to x-axis, we have to write x2 minus x1. So x coordinate is of this b is equal to 2, c's x coordinate is minus 2. So here 2 and minus 2 is equals to 4. Okay. Now we have to find out the AC square. So AC square is equal to how it will come? That is the AB square means 1 square, and then here BC square, that is 4 square, is equal to 4 square 16 and 1 square 1, and its addition is 17. And if we have to find out the AC, we have to take the square root. So AC is equal to under root 17. So in this way we are finding the distance between the 2 points which are not parallel to x-axis and not parallel to y-axis. So note down this. So today we will stop here only. Next point of the lesson we will see tomorrow. Okay, thank you.